Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Revlon Skinlights Prismatic Bronzer and the Revlon Skinlights Prismatic Highlighter. Now, when I saw these in store, I was very excited. I swatched the bronzer in store and I kid you not, it felt like velvet. It felt so smooth and soft, almost sort of like a cream to powder finish, even though it claims it's not. And not to mention, the highlighter looks absolutely stunning. So let's not hesitate and try these on my face. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. So let's get started by trying out the Revlon Skinlights Prismatic Bronzer and the Revlon Skinlights Prismatic Highlighter. Both of these items retail for $9.99, or sometimes they are on offer or a deal, so definitely look out for that. But these two here, so I have the bronzer, so this is the bronzer, this is the Revlon Skinlights Prismatic Bronzer, and I have the shade 115 Sunkissed Beam, and I've also got the Revlon Skinlights new Prismatic Highlighter, and this is in the shade 201 Daybreak Glimmer. So after swatching the pair of these, like I said, the bronzer just felt like velvet and the highlighter was really intense. So it says for the, let's read the bronzer first. So the bronzer, it says on the back that silky soft texture with crystal-like pigments for a flattering pure glow without the glitter, non-cakey look. So yes, the silky soft texture was definitely there, because when I first swatched it, it just felt like butter. Let's zoom you guys in closer and let's try these on. Alright guys, so I've just zoomed you guys in closer so we can try on the bronzer and the highlighter. So I have the bronzer here. So like I said before, this is the Prismatic Bronzer, and I'm in the shade 115 Sun-Kissed Beam. So I am just going to grab a Real Techniques brush. This is completely written off, so I don't know what brush name this is, I'm afraid, but it's a nice sort of fluffy but dense brush, so very good idea for bronzer. So I'm just going to pick the product up on the brush. I don't really want to ruin the design, but okay, oh well. So that's it there. Doesn't have a smell to it, so it's not like the Kiko one where it smells like chocolate. So let's just start applying this here. Let's start applying it. And reading the information and stuff, this is more of like a dewy bronzer. This is not a matte bronzer. This is more like a shimmery bronzer. So it gives like a dewy glow effect. Ooh, I like that. It's quite natural. Just gonna really get some more product. Yeah, I like that. That's like a very sort of, this is like a very natural glowing bronzer. Seems to be blending very nicely as well. Just gonna see if I can blend it up here as well. Blend it up near where my blusher is. Oh, that looks nice. It's not like it's definitely not a shimmering bronzer, but it's definitely more like a glow bronzer, because you can see the shine on my forehead. Right, let's see how this cleans up. So I'm just going to grab my brush that had the Access setting powder on it. I'm going to see how this cleans up underneath. That sharpened up really well. No streakiness, no patchiness. Ooh, that has proper snatched my face. It's lovely on the other side as well. I'm just going to see if it does the same thing, if I can clean up the edges. Yeah, this is cleaning up the other side really well as well. Well, I have to say, with this bronzer, it's really pretty. This is not an intense bronzer. It's a very subtle glow bronzer. So if you like a natural everyday bronzer, then you will love this. I believe they do have a second shade of it as well. So they've got one shade, but I believe they do have a deeper shade as well, obviously for deeper skin. But really, really nice. Just a natural everyday glow. Let's try the highlighter next. This is what I'm excited. Ooh. I mean, don't get me wrong, I was excited for the bronzer, but I'm definitely going to be excited for the highlighter. So I love the design, because I love how that one's waves and this one is more like a fish or dragon scale. I don't know how we'd call it. So I'm going to take my little Essence eye blending brush. I'm just going to take that. I'm going to pick up that highlighter. This is wet. No, sorry. This is dry, sorry. So I'm just going to pick that up. Right. It's there. Ooh, it's a very subtle glow, but I get a funny feeling this glow is buildable. So let's see if we can build it up. Let's see if we can juzz this up a bit. Oh yeah, this is definitely building up. This is definitely building up, and we can build it up some more. Ooh, this is so nice. This is like such a controllable formula. Wow, that's nice. I was a bit skeptical. I didn't know if it was going to be too dark for me, but it actually isn't. That's like a champagne-y. Yeah, that's nice. See what it's like with a brush, with a wet brush. So just gonna take my NYX spray. Ooh, yeah, it's not metallic by any means, but it just comes out a lot more boom. It just comes out a lot more boom with a wet brush. But this is stunning. This is the perfect colour for me. It's got a fabulous shine to it. Oh my god, this is lovely. Apply some in my inner corners as well. Let's just make those inner corners pop a lot more. Under the brow bone as well. Because we've got to show off this glow, definitely. Apply some to my nose, cupid bow, and chin. Let's say, guys, this highlighter is beautiful. This is a gorgeous highlighter. It's definitely a glow from within highlighter. So I'm going to zoom you guys back and I'm going to let you know my final thoughts. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. My final thoughts on the bronzer and highlighter. So with the bronzer, this is a very natural bronzer. This is not an intense bronzer. This is very natural. You can build it up. Actually, to be perfectly honest, they're both pretty much the same when it comes to formulation. Neither of them are pigmented, but just because neither of them are super pigmented doesn't make them bad. With the highlighter, for example, the highlighter, it's not the most pigmented highlighter I've used, but I don't think that was its intention. Its intention, I think, is meant to give you a natural dewy glow to the skin, which is exactly what it's done. It's given me this beautiful sun-kissed glow. It's gorgeous. Sometimes not everyone wants a intense, metallic, over shiny highlighter. Not everybody wants that. So to have this sort of beautiful glow from within highlighter is stunning. You can make it as subtle or as intense as you like. And personally, I'm digging it. It's nice to have something different for a change. So instead of having always boom in your face, shine the light highlighter, it's nice to have a nice dewy, subtle, glowing highlighter. So this is really, really pretty. And that's the same with the bronzer. The bronzer, you can make this as subtle or as intense as you like, which is exactly what I've done. This is actually very subtle for me. Usually I have this a little bit more intense bronzer, but I love the fact they're both not dewy, they're not glittery. I personally don't mind glittery makeup. I know that glittery makeup isn't for everybody. Not everyone likes glitter in their makeup. Personally, I don't mind it. I think it's nice to have a little bit of fun in your makeup sometimes. But I know because people get concerned with like over-exaggerating texture, that sort of thing, which I do understand, but occasionally I do like to have a little bit of fun in my makeup sometimes. But yeah, I think both of these are stunning. If you want a very natural highlighter or a natural bronzer, something you can just subtly sweep around the face, a highlighter which you can just really apply to the cheekbones, inner corner, brow bone, which is what I've done, something that's subtle but you can build it up really slightly, then I'd definitely recommend the highlighter, and I'd also recommend the bronzer for a sun-kissed glow. I might try the highlighter with a different brush next time and see if it actually comes out more intense, because I have used this Essence brush before and all my highlighters have come out really intense with this one. So I might try with a different brush, it might perform differently, but from what I can feel and put on my face, it's a very subtle glowing highlighter, and I think this is absolutely beautiful. And that's exactly the same with the bronzer. I love the texture on this bronzer. I love this. Definitely give these both a high ranking. Definitely would recommend them. These are really beautiful for that subtle, everyday glow. So, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.